Good afternoon, Greg Schaub from the Live Doppler 15 Weather Center. Big thing today, not going to be rain or snow. It's going to be those gusty winds. We've got a wind advisory in effect, and we are going to see those winds still as we head into this evening up to 30 to 35 mile per hour gust. And then tomorrow, we could see winds anywhere from about 25 to 30 miles per hour. And that is going to be something that we're going to have to deal with for at least 24 hours. The other thing we're going to have to deal with, that's a roller coaster ride. Temperatures in the 50s this afternoon, but we fall to the 20s tonight, and really most of the day tomorrow is going to be spent in the 20s, mid-30s as we head towards Sunday, and we will look for highs in the mid-40s on Monday and into the 50s as we head towards Tuesday and Wednesday of next week.